Bonjour, I'm Marion Lecesne from Céline Martine, and this is a tutorial on our Josephine Head Wrap Luxe. The Luxe differs in two different ways from our regular and extra length head wraps. First of all, it has rounded wings. And secondly, the wire is hidden in a channel all across the curve, which gives you some options for styling. Let me show you how. Place the head wrap on your head as such, the scrunchy part in the middle. The black jersey gives you a snug and comfortable feeling. Pull the head wrap to the back, and then pull on those two side wings and give it a twist. After one twist, it should already stay in place. Release the ears, and then just start molding the wire in such a way that it gives you this elegant look. And that is our Josephine Head Wrap Luxe in animal print sequence. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe below. And if you have any questions, just hit the comment bar.